don't be an AI engineer if you're like this. It's obviously a highly rapidly growing field, but it's not for everyone. So if you fall into one of these two categories, please don't be an AI engineer. The last thing you want is to end up in a career or a field that's not right for you. You're gonna work for probably the rest of your life, and if you don't actually enjoy what you do, someone who does is gonna outwork you. They're gonna get the promotion. They're gonna take your job. So make sure AI engineering is right for you. And to keep this video as concise as possible, we're not gonna yap about all the AI hype, just get straight into it. Okay, group number one, don't be an AI engineer if you like math and solving equations and all of the nitty-gritty details of neural networks more than software engineering. Now this might come as a surprise because everyone talks about how important math is for AI, and this is true, but just like all fields, there's going to be a disconnect between what you study in school and what you learn in online courses and what you actually do on the job. In the former, when you're learning the basics, you're doing backpropagation by hand, you're learning about all the equations for neural networks. And don't get me wrong, this is important for AI engineering. You're going to have to know this for interviews because interviewers can ask you about these fundamental concepts. And on the job, you don't want to seem like an imposter, right? You want to seem like you actually have a strong base, a strong foundation, especially when you talk to more senior engineers and researchers. So understanding those concepts, the more theoretical concepts, is important. But on the job, as an AI engineer, you're rarely ever going to actually do this math by hand. AI engineering is more about software engineering and actually deploying models and maybe tweaking them a bit before deploying them to production. But you're certainly not going to be doing AI research and thinking about neural network architectures as much. If this is you, you're not going to like AI engineering, and I'd probably recommend doing a master's so you can get some more research experience, figure out if research is right for you, and then from there you can see if you might even want to do a PhD. But if you don't like software engineering and you're really more interested in the theory and the math, just don't be an AI engineer. Okay, the second category, if you don't care about how ChatGPT actually works, you're perfectly content with just importing OpenAI, treating it like a black box, and building these wrappers, you probably shouldn't be an AI engineer. This is like the other end of the extreme or spectrum from the first group we've talked about. If you don't care about how any of the math works, you're not going to make it as an AI engineer. In the interview, you're going to have to know these fundamentals, and even on the job, yes, most of the work is software engineering, but if you actually understand how the models work, what the limitations are, and what the different use cases can be, you're going to be a way stronger AI engineer. If you don't actually care how this stuff works, there's going to be another AI engineer who does care about this stuff. He or she does take the time to read papers every once in a while and actually keep their skill set and knowledge up to date. They're going to outwork you. They're going to get the promotions because they actually care how the models work. So if you only care about building wrappers and don't care about any of the actual machine learning, please don't be an AI engineer. All right, that's all for this video. If you strongly agree or strongly disagree, let me know below. As always, there's more resources in the pinned comment for learning ML fundamentals. And next, you might want to check out my video on how I'd land an ML internship for 2025. It should be popping up soon. I'll see you in the next one.